So with everything that has transpired with Robinhood recently, many people may be looking for alternatives to the investing app. Well, you're in luck because that's exactly what we're about to cover. Keep in mind that there's a lot of them out there, but these are ones that I have personally used and found to be the best alternatives to what Robinhood has to offer in terms of beginner friendliness and low cost investing. So let's jump in. Hello, welcome back for another video. Tim here from the Bear Market Dad, helping you build wealth in any market. So the first app that I want to talk about is M1 Finance. While I'm listing this as an alternative to Robinhood, since it is free to use, M1 Finance is a bit different in terms of what it has to offer compared to Robinhood. One of those is day trading. While Robinhood has the option to buy and sell your stock at any time, whenever they have the buy button activated, that is, they both allow you to invest in fractional shares, which is beneficial if you don't want to break the bank on Tesla stocks. M1 Finance is a bit different because it's geared towards a long-term investor, which I personally love because it allows you to benefit from long-term capital gains tax rates, which will save you more money in the long run. M1 Finance has the benefit of dividend reinvesting to where you automatically have your dividends reinvested for you, and you don't have to actively manage those and reinvest those yourself. One of my favorite things that M1 Finance has to offer over Robinhood is M1 Retire. This, of course, is the retirement savings accounts like IRAs and everything like that, and it's completely free. Now, the investment part they offer is really fascinating. This is either a percentage of a stock that you put together and rebalance depending on the money that you put towards each stock, or they have pre-selected pies that you can choose from and put your money into based on the goals and investment needs. Now for number 2, and that's WEBULL. This is one that I would say is the closest to Robinhood that allows day trading, commission-free stock trading, and they give stock promotions all the time if you've already signed up or haven't signed up yet. Even though Robinhood and WEBULL are very similar, I believe that WEBULL is a better alternative since they provide so much information with their charts and stock analysis. While the beginner might not know what to do with these right away, it gives an excellent opportunity to get their feet wet in stock trading and offers in-depth analytics and news that will be able to help them learn and research what stock to invest into. Once you get past the initial learning curve, it'll help make buyers more aware of how the market and the individual stock is doing or the trends for the particular stock right there in the app. Outside of that, I think the app is very useful for any investor that just wants an alternative to Robinhood. I would have to say that I switched to WEBULL a while ago, and I enjoy the app way more than Robinhood, but that's just my personal preference. Let me know what you think if you tried WEBULL already. The next one on the list is a very good one, but costly if you look at the averages, but it's still very cheap compared to a lot of the competition out there, and that's ACORNS. The automated feature with the roundup service is one of the main reasons that they're making it on this list. By rounding up every purchase you make to the nearest dollar, and with the roundup multiplier, you can see the rounded up dollar increases up to 10 times the amount invested and reinvested for you automatically. Automated investing through ACORNS makes it a great alternative to Robinhood since these can set up reoccurring investments for you to help you out. These investments go towards index funds, so it's a great way to keep your investment diversified and give you more security. The downside to ACORNS versus Robinhood though is that for even $1 a month fee, it can eat into your profits a bit more than the other alternatives if you have a few $100s invested into the app. And to be honest, this is a personal preference, and you would have to look at how much you are investing versus the fee you are incurring to see which one makes the best financial benefit for you. If you're using the app just for the roundup feature, I really would not recommend it unless you're spending a great deal of money offsetting the percent that would eat into your profits. To me, I would not see it as cost effective unless you have a few $1,000s into it. But on the other side, it's a great way to get people saving money that otherwise would not be saving at all. Do keep in mind as well that Acorn does not allow day trading either, and it is more for people who want to use the roundup feature and securely keep their money in a broad index fund. Here's one of the most well-known brokers that have opted for free commission trading, and that is TD Ameritrade. I know you're thinking to yourself that TD Ameritrade is for more advanced investors, but that's where you'd be happy to know that's not the case anymore. They've opened up for free commission trading and allowing the beginner to start with less upfront. A benefit to TD Ameritrade is that they offer way more for people who want to learn about investing and want to understand the analytics and research required to make good investment decisions. Their earnings tool aggregates thousands of earning estimates and turns them into a single data point, so you can make an informed decision on your trades. They also offer free educational articles, videos, webcasts that teach you about long-term investing, active trading, and portfolio management. One of my favorite things that TD Ameritrade has to offer is their online courses that are intuitive and easy to follow, and they're broken down into lessons that you can deepen your investment knowledge from beginners to veterans. They also have curated goal-based learning paths that pair courses with relevant webcasts and even help you master concepts with the help of an education coach. This is immense value even just for these options alone. And I think that everybody should at least just take those courses and learn, especially if they're beginners. But there are a few downsides. Almost all the broker assisted features come with a hefty price, and there is a 65-cent fee per contract with options. Futures also have a 2.25% contract plus exchange and regulatory fees. Overall, if you're looking to learn a lot about investing and how to trade and manage portfolios, along with retirement education, then I think TD Ameritrade has a lot to offer. And you'll get a lot of benefits even if you don't use them actively to trade and just use their retirement accounts. Finally, this has to be my most used and one of my favorite investing apps, and that is Fidelity. This is one I would recommend to 99% of the people out there, whether you're just getting started or you've been investing for years. This one has no account minimums, no fees, as well as many free index funds that offer no management fee. They've also done away with commissions as well, so you don't have to worry about if you actively trade. You also have free retirement accounts, tools, and calculators to help you with your retirement and investment goals. Fidelity is more for someone who wants to take advantage of these free accounts and index funds, so that way you can invest with your Roth IRA. Also, you can open up an individual account with them, much like a checking account, but there's purchase protections and benefits like a credit card. So I would have to recommend this if you want to take advantage of all the free accounts that Fidelity has to offer. Now, keep in mind that all these accounts have to be actively managed, and you have to actively reinvest your dividends and your earnings, unlike some of the others that we listed. But if you have the ability to do that, they are absolutely one of the cheapest options available. That being said, those are my top 5 alternatives to Robinhood, and I think today's world of investing, there are so many options out there that are excellent if you're looking to go for commission-free trading. But I do have to give it to Robinhood. They are one of the reasons that this ball got rolling, and a lot of other companies went to commission-free trading, so we at least have to give them that. Go ahead and let me know down in the comments which one is your favorite app to use. If you've made it this far into the video, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload new videos. There's going to be a lot more coming. Thank you very much. Until next time.